Tech Guide Ninjas here. Hope you're having a good day today. So today we're looking at how to create a digital collage in Canva. So digital photo collages are a way for you to display some of your favorite photos and share them with friends or share them on social media. So this is how you do it. So we're going to head on over to the templates tab. So I'm going to type in collage and photo collage. You can choose like how many photos you want to add to it, or just click on photo collage and see what turns up. So there's tons of different collage templates to choose from. They're all professionally designed, and you can make them your own with your own fonts and colors and stickers, things like that. It's really easy to do, so I'll show you how to do it. So I'm going to click on this one. I quite like this one. Click on customize the template, and then as you can see, all the pictures are arranged with nice little borders, and you can just drag and drop your own photos in. So I can either click on there, each photo, and then drag my own photo in. Let's have a look what ones I've got here. So I'm going to drag that one up. So you just need to drag it over the photo space, and the new photo will be added into the position. And you can go ahead and add all your photos into your photo collage. Keep going till you filled it out with all your own photos. And then you can also edit it with different sort of like stickers and things like that, just to really make it your own. What else we got here? Do this lady, put her there. And yeah, keep going, fill it out, and then you can add things like stickers and things like that, just to make it a little bit more your own. Might want to put this love heart on, so you can put those like on the borders, not actually in the photo, just to decorate your collage. There's just so many things you can do just to make it your own. So make it nice and pretty. When you're happy with your collage, you can give it a name. So I'm just going to leave it travel photo collage. We'll give it the name which suits your collage the best. And then you can click on share and download it in PNG and share it with your friends and family. I hope that was helpful. Please like the video and subscribe. I will see you soon.